Three upgrades of the DF54 coffee grinder. Number 1. The white dot upgrade. So you can clearly see what is your current setting. I mean, who invented the black on black? Come on. You just take your white marker, white paint, whatever you have, and you paint the tip of the arrow, so it's much easier to see. Number 2. The cup. I painted it black. It's not really an upgrade. You just take a can of black paint and you spray it. And that's it. In my opinion and in my setup, it fits much better. And the last thing, the coffee cup. The grind catcher. Stainless steel one. It's like, I don't know, €1, $1 on AliExpress. Much better than the plastic one in my opinion. Tell me what you think.